Hi everyone, how to make your message stand out in Microsoft Teams channels. There are so many conversations happening in channels, from typical weekly status updates or asking a question. But sometimes I have a bigger message I need to stand out so it gets everyone's attention. For moments like this, I use an announcement, which is kind of a visible shout out. Let's create an announcement to welcome a new hire to our team together to take a conversation from standard chit-chat to an attention-grabbing announcement. Start a new conversation. Then select the text editorial tool and choose Announcement from the drop-down on the left. Add the banner image behind the headline, or change the banner color to something bright. Add a headline, Welcome Nestor. Include a subheader like Join Nestor for coffee on Monday morning. Then enter your text here, including some facts about the new team member. And even add a fun welcome gift. Hit send and you can see how much your announcement stands out from the general conversation. The next time you have a message everyone needs to hear, post an announcement. It's an easy way to cut through the noise, make a big impact. Be sure to subscribe to get more tips on how-tos on all you can do with Microsoft Teams. Thank you.